Today we're going to be looking at proper nouns. We know a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal, and a proper noun is the name of that person, place, thing, or animal. We also know that proper nouns have to be capitalized. So just like your name is capitalized when you write it, all of these names are capitalized too. For the first part of your Google Classroom, you're going to be giving examples of nouns. So this first one says, give an example of a person. Now, this noun has to be a proper noun, so think about a name of a person. All I'm going to do is double click the question mark, and then I'm going to type in that person's name. Now, remember, a proper noun always starts with a capital. So I'm going to push my Shift button and hold it down while I type whatever letter I want to type first. I'm going to type an R, and then that makes it a capital because I was holding down the Shift button. Then I'm going to type like normal, no Shift button, so I can do lowercase. And I'm going to do Raymond. Okay, and that's an example of a person. So we have persons, we have places, things, and animals. Now for animals, remember that it has to be a name of an animal. It has to be a proper noun. So you can't just put dog because that's a normal noun. It's a regular noun. Well, we want a proper noun. So think of like the dog's name. Okay, down on the second part of the Google Classroom, you're going to be finding the proper nouns that need to be capitalized in the sentence. Down here in the corner, you have a white rectangle. You're going to pull the white rectangle up to the beginning of the noun and then highlight the whole word that should be capitalized. So this one says, do you know where Target is in this town? I'm going to take my rectangle, and I know Target is the name of a place, it's a store. So I'm going to put it at the beginning of that word. Then I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to hover over the middle square, and I'm going to pull that rectangle all the way to the end of that word. Then I just highlighted Target because Target is the proper noun. Now some of them have more than one proper noun in them, so you're going to go ahead and just pull it in front of all three of the words, or more or less. So I have Joe, Susan, and Harry are going swimming after school today. So I have three proper nouns. They're all names: Joe, Susan, and Harry. And then make sure that you extend that rectangle so you are highlighting the whole word. Just like that. All right, so once you're done practicing, you can turn it in to your teacher